Welcome to my Ohio self-filmed whitetail deer harvest. It's an incredible video, and I really hope you enjoy. November 9th was an amazing day in the deer woods. Had 25 degrees with a high pressure system, and I'll let you be the judge. But it was a beautiful morning, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's 21 degrees. It's November the 8th. Just getting set up at the truck here, about to spray down and get in the woods. It's November the 8th this morning. It's 22 degrees out. We have a southwest wind, which is perfect for the stand. It's November the 9th, 25 degrees. It is beautiful out today. It's supposed to be bluebird skies all day. It's been a slow week so far, but 2 back-to-back cold fronts, and it's high pressure again, so we're gonna sit tight and keep grinding it out. Stuff. He's coming right to the green. Got him. We just got it done. Smoked him. He fell right from the tree. Yes, we got him. November 9th, baby. He came in, I got a perfect video. Smoked him, baby. Let's go. He came in, he came right in front of me. I was about to have a 20-yard shot. And then I must have got my win or something, and then he came right by, turned around, and then boom, smoked him. Dad, I smoked one. At the freaking 10-pointer, I got literally perfect video of it. Collected myself a little bit. So it is 7:45, and that guy came by and I put the whooping on him. He only ran like 30 yards and went right down. No blood trail needed. I saw him fall. So shot him about 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go to the truck and then get the tripod, and then we'll go put my hands on him. So looking forward to it. So we saw where he went down. Just picked up the blood trail here, and it looks pretty good. So we're gonna make our way. This is good blood. He's down. He's down. Well, here he is. Nice 10-pointer. He's got some character. We're gonna get him dragged out of here so you guys can see him better. Well, here he is. We brought him out of the brush because it was pretty thick down there, but had a beautiful morning this morning. Shot this deer about 7:45 right out of the get-go, 25 degrees, and really good wind for the stand I was hunting. So this guy came up from the bottom, and I think he was on a hot doe because we had a lot of movement in here this morning. But he came by, I shot him at 32 yards, and he didn't go very far. I think he ran about 20 yards and then piled up dead. So put a good hit on him, and very blessed, very grateful for this buck. Have a lot of people I'm excited to share this hunt with. A lot of people have been excited about me potentially getting a good buck on film, and I think I finally have. So we're gonna get him out of here, and so grateful. November 9th is a beautiful day, and couldn't be more thankful for this deer. It's the afternoon after I shot my buck this morning, and I came out back here to do these interviews, and I'll tell you what, it's just an absolutely wonderful feeling being able to harvest such a beautiful deer on film. Like I said earlier, it had been 8-9 years since I tried to start self-filming. I remember being 11, 12 years old, begging my parents to buy me a $200 little handheld video camera, and kind of took that and ran with it. People, I would assume, have thought that I've kind of gradually stopped filming because I've stopped producing content, but when you're a college athlete and when you're self-filming, it gets pretty tough at times. There's been a handful of variables that have gotten in the way, whether it's been being handcuffed by a really nice deer, whether it's been the deer walking out of frame, or it's been just lack of skill with the camera. It's days like the November 9th that I had that really humble you and make you grateful for all the great things in your life. Deer hunting, all the friends and family you form through the outdoors, but just an absolutely incredible morning, and was so fortunate to be able to harvest a trophy whitetail on film with a bow and arrow.